Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw, we will unbox the new Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. There are two boxes to choose from, each with an over 50% saving. The both mystery boxes have 6 full-size products inside, and you can choose from Makeup to Mesmerize mystery box or Magic Hydrate and Glow box. Last year we had only one mystery box, but this year the brand Charlotte Tilbury decided to separate makeup products from the skincare products, and for me, personally, I think that this was a brilliant idea. About the boxes, Magic Hydrate and Glow mystery box is retailed for £113 and worth £227. The only product that we know that it contains is the Brightening Youth Glow Primer. Makeup to Mesmerize mystery box is retailed for £95 and worth £190. The product that we know that it contains is da-da-da-da! The Instant Eye Palette. Between these two mystery boxes, I decided to purchase the Makeup to Mesmerize mystery box, and this is because I'm not a huge fan of the Charlotte Tilbury skincare range. Okay, beautiful people, today's intro was a bit long. Now let's discover the products that this mystery box contains. Let's start with a product that we know that we will find. This is the Eyeshadows Palette, Instant Eye Palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever, 4 Hypnotic Eye Glow looks. I am not sure, but I think this is the latest Instant Eye Palette released by Charlotte Tilbury. This is how it looks. Gorgeous packaging, to be fair, and this is how it looks inside. It's beautiful, guys. The color story is nice. It has this beautiful green shade that took my eyes. Above the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow formula, I cannot say that is my favorite. I find it a bit too dry, but the most I didn't like the glitters. In the pan, when you look at them, they look stunning, shiny and beautiful, but when you start to apply them, aren't so great. Let's move forward. And the second product we find something that I really wanted to try is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel. 24-hour lightweight brow fixing gel and brush is waterproof and smudge proof. Well guys, I'm really happy with this product that I will try it. Maybe for somebody this is strange to be happy with a brow gel and not so happy with a beautiful eyeshadows palette. Well, this is me. The third product that we find is Swish and Pop Blusher Chic to Chic in the shade Sex on Fire. I know that I will repeat myself, but the packaging is stunning, and I am not talking only about how it looks, but how it feels too. This is how it looks inside. Wow, beautiful, I like the shades. We have two blusher shades, one is matte and the darker one from the middle it has glitters. Until now, I am delighted with what I found. The fourth, we have a lip product, Hyaluronic Plus Happy Kiss, color Balm, in the shade Happy Berry. If I am not wrong, last year we found this balm in a bright red shade. About this product, I didn't like it too much. Maybe because the shade wasn't an everyday shade, and as far as I can see, and this year the shade is not my cup of tea. It's a dark berry shade. Personally, is not a shade that I will like to wear. The fifth product we find, Tinted Love Lip and Cheek Tint. And the shade that we got is called Bohemian Kiss, enriched with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Apply to lips and cheeks for a pretty fresh veil of long-lasting buildable color. I cannot say that I like the shade very much. It's a bit dark for what I like and for what I wear. And the last product from the mystery box is the Eyes to Mesmerize Pot Long-Lasting Eye Color in a beautiful Walk of No Shame shade. Okay, beautiful people, we unboxed the Makeup to Mesmerize mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury. and to be honest, is a nice box. I am delighted with the brow gel and with the blusher. I like the eyeshadow palette and the Eyes to Mesmerize pot, and I am not over the moon with the lip products. Well, one is for lips and cheeks. I am not saying that they are bad, the shades aren't mine. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!